Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level minable coin with a ticker ETH that especially has an especially present worth of $399.6851 and a market capitalization of $476,577,408,153, which really is genuinely critical. Digital currencies, for the most part, have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that certainly is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate in every practical sense significant way. Some especially huge venture banks even in a real sense obtain Ethereum and essentially other digital currencies all at once to generally safeguard their resources under administration arm against the jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, which most certainly is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and essentially long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ETH market that fundamentally depend on the readings of our truly novel crypto unpredictability record that for the most part assists us with measuring the market opinion and by and large expect where in which the market means to go truly. At this point, the cost of Ethereum generally is $3,968.51. While the coin right now most certainly winds up at second spot in the truly by and large positioning, showing how Ethereum fundamentally is a highest-level minable coin with a ticker ETH that has an in every practical sense present worth of $398.6851 and a market capitalization of $476,577, 408,153, or so they basically thought. The said pretty positioning is assessed based on the resources in every practical sense, present value that is duplicated by its sort of current market capitalization, an equation that especially is applied all through every single monetary market, which is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients basically get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios amazingly. It's likewise essential to really consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On Walk 12, the cost of Ethereum especially was at $4.6669 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.47%. 7 days prior, on Walk 6, ETH certainly was esteemed at $3,557.75, which in a real sense intends that from that point forward, the cost has especially changed by 0%, which all things considered is very critical. A month prior, on February 13, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,507.28. Consequently, the coin has taken a 58.28% action to explicitly arrive at its current standings, which by and large shows that presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and by and large long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that depend on the readings of our exceptionally remarkable crypto unpredictability record. That generally assists us with measuring the market opinion and basically expect where in which the market plans to go, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the possibly kind of factor that we really consider while making the cost forecast in an especially huge manner. It means quite a bit to keep a truly sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to, for the most part, have an essentially clear perspective on where the market is going, which generally shows that our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients by and large get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, or so they really thought. The examination of market capitalization conveys commonly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors. Pretty further appearance how the examination of market capitalization conveys sort of equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology in a real sense is utilized to decide the all things considered, generally position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example in a sort of significant way essentially. Changes in market capitalization extremely certain or exceptionally negative certainly are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resource's sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and in every way that really matters, long-haul points of view in opposition to mainstream thinking. This extremely specific pretty measurement generally is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unobtrusive manner. To sort of decide the genuinely current market capitalization of ETH, we essentially increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be explicitly made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the digital money under survey, which truly is genuinely critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum sort of stands at $476, 577, 408, 153, which shapes the reason for pretty present most certainly positioning. Explicitly was referenced before in an exceptionally significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 12, ETH in a real sense had a market capitalization of $488, 401, 773, 64 in an exceptionally significant manner. Keep going week on Walk 6, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $427, 381, 875, 481. Further appearance how digital currencies have in every way that really matters, long past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists and obscure sellers in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on February 13, the market worth of Ethereum really was surveyed to basically be $301, 301, 849, 673 in an essentially significant manner. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that truly have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining in a kind of significant way. These digital currencies can sort of be utilized either for sort of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, or so they really thought. This genuinely metric likewise considers the coins that, in a real sense, have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which explicitly is applied to control the expansion rate, which especially is very huge. At this point, the in every practical sense, all-out supply of Ethereum in a real sense is laid out at 120s in 89, 623 ETH in a huge manner. In conclusion, the flowing stock in a real sense is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization and especially evaluate the coins ongoing. Remaining in the positions, which especially is very huge, it indicates the certainly by and large measure of ETH that fundamentally is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use out of the blue, or so they explicitly thought. It's by and large sort of accepted that digital currencies that generally have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million in every practical sense are the most reasonable for pretty long haul speculation, since they in a real sense are without a doubt liable to truly see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate incredibly. At this point, Ethereum most certainly has a circling supply of 120 89 623 coins, or so they truly thought. Over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $26 186 621 49 in a significant manner. Yesterday on Walk 12, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the